Good morning, students. I welcome you all in the class of grammar. I am Kamal Nath, and this is third video session of this week. You know very well, you all are learning adverbs and its kinds. I have already taught you the kinds of adverbs, their uses through examples, and you all have learned how many kinds of adverbs are. You know there are 10 kinds of adverbs. You all have learned all 10 kinds, and I am sure that you must have done the exercises related to that. I have discussed some of them, and here I am going to explain you today position of adverbs. After kinds of adverbs, you have here to learn what is the position of adverbs in different sentences. So here, as you can see, position of adverbs vary in sentences. Position of adverbs are not just the same, position vary. Position of adverbs vary in different sentences. Adverbs of manner are generally used after the verb or after the object if the verb takes the object. So, the rule suggests us the adverbs of manner are generally placed after the verb or after the object in case there is an object in the sentence. Like here, she speaks loudly. She speaks loudly. In this sentence, loudly is an adverb, and before that is a verb, that is speak. So, you have seen here in this sentence, the adverbs of manner, that is loudly, is used after the verb, after the action word, that is speak. In this sentence, she speaks loudly. They run fast. They run fast. Here in this sentence, fast is adverb. You cannot write fastly, that is here wrong use of fast. That will be fast only. Fast is adjective and adverb as well. They run fast. Here also we see the adverbs of manner, fast is used after the verb, that is run. They run fast. The stranger spoke politely. In this sentence again, you can see adverbs of manner, that is politely. That is made politely from polite, politely. It is adverb and it is used after the action word spoke. So is here the stranger spoke politely. Here again, the adverb of manner, that is politely, used after action word, that is spoke. Now let us see here next one. Adverbs of place and adverbs of time are also used after the verb or after the object if the verb takes the object. In that case, you can see again what is the rule. Adverbs of place and adverbs of time are also placed, means are also used after the verb or after the object if the verb takes the object. You can see the example. I lost my watch here. I lost my watch here. In this sentence, here is adverbs of place. You know much better because you have already learned what is adverbs of manner, what is adverbs of place, adverbs of time, adverbs of frequency. So let us see here in this sentence, here word is adverbs of place. I lost my watch here. Adverbs of place is used after here the object, that is my watch. Verb is lost. Action word is lost. So here in this sentence, there is already object. Object here is used after the verb is object. So the adverbs of place is used after the object. And so the sentence, I lost my watch here. Here is adverbs of place. She spread the message everywhere. Here again, the message in the sentence is the object of verb spread. She spread the message. The message is object, spread is the verb, and everywhere, that is adverbs of place used after the object, because there is already object in this sentence, that is the message in this sentence. See, spread the message everywhere. We will come back soon. We will come back soon. So you can see here that is used after just verb. We will come back soon. So soon, that is adverbs of time. Here in the third sentence, soon is adverbs of time, not adverbs of place. In the first two sentences, in the examples, you have seen adverbs of place, that is here, everywhere, and in the third, soon is adverbs of time. So let us now see another one here, another usage of adverb. Adverbs of frequency come after the to be verb. To be verb are am, is, are, was, were, etc. These are different forms of to be verb only. The usage of am, is, are that you do, that is called here to be form of verb. She is always on time for class. Here there is no other main verb. It is here to be form of verb that is used as main verb. She is always on time for class. You can see always, that is adverbs of frequency. That is adverbs of frequency, and that is used just after the to be form of verb, that is. She is always on time for class. So always, adverbs of frequency, has been used in this sentence after to be form of verb, that is. My brother is seldom late for school. My brother is seldom late for school. In this sentence, again you can see seldom. Seldom is rarely. This is almost a negative word, that means never, perhaps never. My brother is seldom late for school. So here seldom, adverbs of frequency, comes after to be form of verb is. In this sentence also is. They are never rude to me. They are never rude to me. Here you can see to be form of verb are, and the adverbs of frequency just comes after to be form of verb are. And so in this sentence, they are never rude to me, adverbs of frequency has been used after to be form of verb, that is are. Next one is here. Adverbs of frequency are placed before the main verb. That was to be form of verb. And here we are talking about the main verb. So adverbs of frequency are placed, means used before the main verb. In the third rule, we learnt about adverbs of frequency that was used after the to be form of verb. And here we are talking that adverbs of frequency are also used before the main verb. Here before the main verb, not after the main verb, before. She never tells a lie. The main verb in this sentence is tell, and never is adverbs of frequency. So you can see the example. She never tells a lie. Never is used here, placed here in this sentence before main verb tell. We always help the poor. We always help the poor. Here verb in the sentence is help, and always, that is adverbs of frequency used just before main verb help. We always help the poor. And so will be here many kinds of sentences. They never misbehave. They never misbehave. Misbehave is what here? Main verb. Before that is here never, that is adverbs of frequency. You can just use here your own several kinds of examples to illustrate that one. Next one, adverbs of degree come before the adjective or the adverb they modify. Let us see. She walks very slowly. Here very is here Very is also adverb, and it is modifying another adverb, that is slowly. All of you know slowly is adverb. Slowly is adverb, and before that very is also adverb. We have already learned. Adverb is a word which modify a verb, an adjective, and adverb itself. So in this sentence you can see clearly is the adverbs of degree. Adverbs is here modifying another adverb in the sentence. She walks very slowly. How slowly? How much slowly? The answer will be very slowly. So this very is modifying another adverb slowly. He is very intelligent. In this sentence, it is modifying adjective, that is intelligent. Very is modifying the adjective, that is intelligent. You are only 5 years old. 5 is here adjective, and here only comes before the adjective. So these rules are great tools for us to learn and understand English language much better. Until and unless you will practice every day and you will focus on these uses, you can't strengthen or enhance your power. So first of all, you must learn all these rules, and after that only just you can practice and speak nice English. Let us see now next one. If used together, the adverb of manner comes first, followed by adverbs of place. Suppose two adverbs are used together, adverbs of manner and adverbs of place. Then here adverbs of manner comes first, followed by adverb of place and the adverb of time. Both. He stuck the photos nicely into the album. Nicely into the album. You can see here adverbs of manner nicely is used here before, here is used before into the album. Into the album, what is here? Adverbs of place. Adverbs of place, and that is used before that. So he took the photos carefully yesterday. Here yesterday is adverb of time and carefully adverbs of manner. So here are different uses of adverbs, and their positions are to be learnt only. How the position, how the uses, how the placement of adverb can make the sentence correct and meaningful just is very necessary. So this was what position of adverbs, students. That is the part of your chapter you have learned, and you must learn it carefully, nicely. Thank you very much joining the class, learning it. Thank you, students.